Guys, how to get this list for shortcut in MS Word document. So you have to use macros. I will show you how to do it. So click Alt plus F8 on your keyboard. So you will see this macros. Here select word commands, and in macros in select word commands, and here select list. So and there are so many lists. You have to select here in the list commands and run. Click on OK. So you will get in this shortcut key list for Microsoft Word document using just one click. So thanks for watching guys, and comment on this video useful for you.